The US dollar begins with pure cotton fibers.
Each fiber is carefully selected.
Raw material is gathered in bulk. The journey to the factory begins.
Water ensures strength and purity.
Processing begins immediately. Impurities are removed with precision.
Cotton and linen create durability.
Fibers transform into printable pulp.
The material moves toward printing transformation. Raw US dollar materials move steadily toward the facility. Every delivery follows a controlled route.
Security begins at the entrance.
Every shipment is carefully verified.
Weight ensures precise inventory control. Materials enter the processing zone. Heavy loads are moved with precision. Materials are staged for processing. The process transitions into automation. The factory prepares for transformation. The US dollar production facility operates under strict control.
Only verified personnel can enter.
Identity verification ensures security.
Clean environments are critical. Inside, precision systems run continuously. Materials flow in controlled pathways. Transformation begins deeper inside.
Every process is digitally monitored.
Systems activate with precision timing.
The factory shifts into full operation.
The US dollar fibers are cleaned of all impurities. Airflow removes unwanted particles. Even microscopic metals are eliminated. Alignment prepares fibers for consistency. Fibers are refined for strength. Cleanliness is maintained at every stage. Fibers begin forming structured layers. Structure takes its first visible form. Moisture balance ensures flexibility. The fibers move toward full transformation.
The US dollar fibers dissolve into uniform pulp.
Special compounds define strength and longevity. Consistency is critical for printing quality. The process flows without interruption. The US dollar paper begins to take shape.
Excess water is carefully removed.
Pressure builds the paper's strength. Drying stabilizes the material. Hidden details begin to appear.
The base of US dollar paper is complete.
The US dollar paper enters the printing stage.
Precision printing begins with exact alignment. The first layer of currency design appears.
Complexity prevents easy duplication.
Iconic imagery defines authenticity.
Every note carries a unique identity.
Security features are built into the paper. Multiple layers complete the design. Ink is fixed permanently onto the paper.
Printed sheets move toward automated handling.
Automation ensures perfect alignment every time. Every detail is digitally inspected. Imperfections are instantly removed. Precision counting maintains control. Automation organizes the flow. Movement remains continuous and controlled. Stability is ensured before cutting. Each batch is digitally tracked.
Data drives every decision.
Sheets prepare to become individual notes. Precision cutting transforms sheets into individual US dollar notes.
Each note moves independently through the line.
Edges are perfected for uniformity.
Invisible features confirm authenticity. Final visual checks ensure perfection. Orientation prepares for bundling. Notes are grouped with exact precision. Bundles are secured for handling. Density ensures safe transport. Bundles advance toward final verification. Every US dollar bundle enters strict quality control.
Human inspection confirms visual perfection.
Weight ensures exact count accuracy. Security features are verified under controlled light.
Ink must withstand long-term use.
Durability ensures longevity in circulation. Strength is engineered into every fiber.
Only perfect batches move forward.
One last scan confirms readiness.
Verified currency moves to final stage.
The US dollar bundles enter secure packaging. Each package is officially secured.
Every package carries traceable information.
Bundles are prepared for bulk transport.
Large quantities are organized efficiently.
Currency is stored under strict conditions.
Shipments are prepared for distribution.
The US dollar begins its journey worldwide.
And this is how modern factories produce US dollar currency from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.
If you enjoyed this real fact documentary on US dollar currency, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more deep industrial